Welcome to our channel, where we strive to provide you with the latest information and tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Today, we're going to talk about why it's crucial to stay hydrated, how much water you should be drinking every day, and some tips for making it easier to drink more water. So, grab a glass of water, sit back, and let's get started. Why is drinking water important? 1. Helps regulate body temperature. Drinking water helps regulate body temperature by acting as a coolant for the body. When you are overheated, your body sweats to release heat and keep you cool. The sweat then evaporates, which takes heat away from the body and helps regulate your temperature. Drinking water replenishes the fluid lost through sweating, allowing the body to continue to regulate its temperature effectively. In addition, when the body is dehydrated, it struggles to regulate its temperature effectively, making it harder for the body to cool down. So, by staying hydrated, you are helping your body regulate its temperature and maintain optimal health. 2. Maintains fluid balance. Drinking water helps maintain fluid balance in the body by replenishing the fluids that are lost throughout the day through activities such as sweating, urination, and breathing. When we don't drink enough water, our body can become dehydrated, causing the fluid balance to become imbalanced. This can lead to a variety of health problems, such as headaches, fatigue, and decreased physical performance. By drinking enough water, we can help ensure that the fluid balance in our body remains in balance, which is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. 3. Aids digestion. Drinking water helps aid digestion by keeping the digestive system hydrated and lubricated. When we are dehydrated, the digestive system can become sluggish, making it harder for the body to break down and absorb the nutrients from the food we eat. Water also helps to flush waste and toxins from the digestive system, keeping it functioning properly. Drinking water before, during, and after meals can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. Additionally, drinking water can help stimulate the production of digestive juices, which can further aid the digestive process. By drinking enough water, we can help ensure that the digestive system is functioning properly, which is crucial for overall health and well-being. 4. Boost skin health. Drinking water can boost skin health by keeping the skin hydrated and nourished from within. The skin is an organ that is made up of cells, and like all cells, skin cells need water to function properly. When the skin is dehydrated, it can become dry, dull, and more susceptible to wrinkles and other signs of aging. Drinking enough water can help keep the skin hydrated and nourished, which can help improve its appearance, texture, and overall health. Additionally, water can help flush toxins from the body, which can also have a positive impact on skin health. By making sure to drink enough water every day, you can help ensure that your skin is healthy and radiant. 5. Supports physical and cognitive performance. Drinking water can support physical and cognitive performance in several ways. Firstly, staying hydrated helps maintain proper fluid balance in the body, which is important for physical performance. Dehydration can lead to decreased endurance, decreased strength, and impaired coordination, making it more difficult to perform physical tasks. Drinking enough water can help prevent these negative effects and support physical performance. Furthermore, drinking water can also support cognitive performance. Dehydration can lead to decreased focus, increased fatigue, and decreased memory, making it more difficult to concentrate and perform cognitive tasks. Drinking water can help improve these cognitive functions, allowing you to think more clearly and perform better. Drinking enough water is crucial for supporting both physical and cognitive performance. By making sure to drink enough water every day, you can help improve your overall health and well-being, as well as your ability to perform at your best. How much water should you drink a day? The amount of water you should drink every day can vary based on factors such as your age, gender, activity level, and climate. However, a general guideline is to drink at least 8 glasses, 8 ounces each, of water per day, which is about 2 liters or half a gallon. This is known as the 8x8 rule, and is easy to remember. It's also important to note that you may need to drink more or less water depending on your individual needs. For example, if you are physically active or live in a hot climate, you may need to drink more water to compensate for the fluid loss through sweating. On the other hand, if you have a medical condition that affects fluid balance, you may need to adjust your water intake accordingly. In general, it's a good idea to listen to your body and drink water when you are thirsty. This can help you stay hydrated and ensure that you are getting enough water every day. Tips for drinking more water. 1. Keep a water bottle with you. To keep a water bottle with you for drinking more water, here are some tips. Pick a water bottle that is easy to carry with you throughout the day, whether it's a small size that fits in your purse or a larger one that you can carry in a backpack or gym bag. Keep your water bottle in a place where you can easily reach it, such as on your desk or in the car. Invest in a reusable water bottle that you can refill throughout the day, rather than buying disposable plastic bottles. Set reminders on your phone or use an app to remind you to drink water throughout the day. Add fruit, herbs, or other flavorings to your water to make it more appealing and enjoyable to drink. By following these tips, you can make it easier to keep a water bottle with you and drink more water throughout the day. This can help you stay hydrated and improve your overall health and well-being. 2. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor. Cut a lemon into thin slices and add them to a glass or pitcher of water. Let the lemon infuse the water for a few minutes before drinking. Slice a cucumber and add it to a glass or pitcher of water. Let the cucumber infuse the water for a few minutes before drinking. Crush a handful of mint leaves and add them to a glass or pitcher of water. Let the mint infuse the water for a few minutes before drinking. These natural flavorings can make drinking water more appealing and enjoyable, helping you stay hydrated and drink more water every day. Additionally, lemon, cucumber, and mint can each have their own health benefits, such as improving digestion, providing antioxidants, and freshening breath. So not only will you be drinking more water, but you'll also be adding a burst of flavor and health benefits to your day. 3. Drink water before meals. Drinking water before meals has several potential benefits, including improved digestion. Drinking water before eating can help flush out waste and toxins from the digestive system and make room for food in the stomach. This can lead to better digestion and a reduction in symptoms such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Better nutrient absorption. Drinking water before meals can help hydrate the digestive system and promote better nutrient absorption. This can help your body get the most out of the food you eat. Appetite control. Drinking water before eating can help you feel more full and reduce your overall food intake, which can be beneficial for weight management and healthy eating. Better blood sugar control. Drinking water before meals can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for individuals with conditions such as diabetes. In conclusion, drinking water before meals can have several potential benefits for digestion, nutrient absorption, appetite control, and blood sugar control. It is a simple and effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. 4. Set reminders on your phone. To set reminders on your phone for drinking more water, you can follow these steps. Use a built-in reminder app. Most smartphones come with a built-in reminder app, such as Apple's Reminders or Google's Google Keep. You can use these apps to set a recurring reminder to drink water throughout the day. Download a hydration tracker app. There are many hydration tracker apps available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. These apps can help you track your water intake and set reminders to drink water throughout the day. Use a calendar app. If you already use a calendar app, you can set reminders within the app to drink water at specific times throughout the day. Set notifications on your phone. If you don't have a built-in reminder app or don't want to download a new app, you can set notifications on your phone to remind you to drink water throughout the day. By using one of these methods, you can set reminders on your phone to help you drink more water every day and stay hydrated. Try infusing water with fruits and herbs. Infusing water with fruits and herbs is a great way to increase your overall water intake because it adds flavor to plain water, making it more appealing to drink. Here are some of the benefits of infusing water. 1. Hydration. Infused water is a tasty and convenient way to stay hydrated throughout the day. Drinking enough water is essential for overall health and well-being. 2. Increased nutrient intake. Some fruits and herbs, like lemon and mint, contain vitamins and minerals that can provide added health benefits. 3. Reduced sugar and calorie intake. Infused water is a healthier alternative to sugary drinks, as it contains minimal to no added sugars or calories. 4. Improved digestion. Some ingredients, like cucumber and mint, can aid digestion and reduce bloating. 5. Increased antioxidant intake. Some fruits, like strawberries and blueberries, are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage and support overall health. Trying infusing water with fruits and herbs can be a fun and flavorful way to increase your water intake and improve your health. So why not try it today and enjoy all of the benefits that infused water has to offer? In conclusion, drinking enough water is crucial for our overall health and well-being. So, make sure to drink plenty of water every day, and try to incorporate the tips we talked about to make it easier. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and information. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.